Thanks a lot for being again with us tonight. I see your face much more relaxed now.
Yeah.
All the pilots arrived.
Yes. Yes. Yesterday was a long day. Yeah.
Long day. I believe so. Yes. First of all, tell us something about what is still going on in the race. We have Eli Egger flying and walking, and also the American, the Canadian, the Australian.
Yeah. These three they are nearby, but the weather now starts to get worse and worse. So today here at Zell Am See, we had a big thunderstorm in the evening, and it was coming from the south where they are now, and it's raining there, and they don't have it easy now. Not that easy than the last days. So they will slow down, and it will already be a hard game for them to arrive here, because today they made some not that much kilometers. It was stable in the valleys. They had an inversion layer in 1,000 meters altitude. So this was what was the Polish guy told me, Spike. He lives in Italy.
Yes, I know in Feltre. Yeah.
Yeah. So he told me it was quite stable in the south side, and then he walked up the main chain and flies over here, and it was very nice here. But yeah, now they are somehow stuck there, because then in the late midday around, then it starts to get overdeveloped and it rains and
Yeah. Quindi praticamente gli ho detto parliamo un attimino della gara che è ancora in corso, quindi Eli Egger, poi James Elliott, Logan, che sono questi che sono praticamente che avrebbero dovuto arrivare, anche magari potevano arrivare oggi. In realtà dice sì, stanno avendo un
now I'm back, sorry.
Yeah, okay.
No connection. Where we stopped.
Yeah. Hanno avuto una giornata difficile, il livello di inversione è abbastanza basso sui 1000 metri, quindi non riescono ad avanzare più di tanto. In più le condizioni del tempo stanno peggiorando, e hanno avuto anche loro lì al lago, a Zell Am See, il temporale tutte e due le sere passate. Quindi mi ha detto che oggi ha parlato con il Polonia 1, Michael. I never know how to pronounce the surname. Gerlach. How is it? Gerlach, right. Quindi che lui è, diciamo così, è polacco, però abitando a Feltre per noi è anche mezzo italiano, quindi facciamo il tifo anche per lui. E quindi è arrivato oggi, ha trovato delle condizioni favorevoli per poter, una volta scavalcato il Grossglockner, volare fino all'arrivo, insomma. Quindi vedremo. So everybody was talking about Eli Egger, the possible first woman to arrive, but now it's not so sure.
Yeah, would be nice if he can come here. Of course, we have now Monday, I think. Too many days in not sleeping that much, but yeah, I think she can make it, but it will be not that easy.
Right. Yeah, the race is closing Friday, correct?
Yes, Friday at 11:30.
11:30 Friday. Quindi diciamo lei ha ancora, oggi è lunedì, ha ancora tutta la settimana, sono ancora 4 giorni per poter arrivare. Lui è convinto che lei ce la possa fare, e ne sono convinto anch'io, perché alla fine diciamo sono piloti, sono persone fortissime che hanno una forza di volontà. So I'm also sure that they will do it, because to be a pilot in the X-ALP, it really means you have something more than just physics and controlling the glide capacity. It's really something special that you have in your head, and this push forward every time. Yeah.
Yeah.
We heard it was that Tanguy had a small accident. What happened?
Yeah, it was a fast situation up there at the takeoff, because the time, the arrival time was measured over the float with a cylinder around the float. So they had to land there and then sign the board, get a life vest on them, and then they had to fly down here as fast as possible. So it was a stressy situation up there because they arrived somehow similar at the same time, and then Tongi was took off in a situation where he had really backwind. So he's tried, but then he jumped somehow inside a steep place, and then he fall down because the glider wasn't open that much, and yeah, then he catch the glider, goes up again and start, and he was earlier than the other one, so he still got his position, but yeah, while he jumped down there, he had a little injury at the arm. Before we thought it is broken, but anyway, he flew down to the lake, but it isn't broken, so he's fine and will be back soon.
Quindi sì, gli ho chiesto del piccolo incidente che è successo a Tanguy, quindi praticamente erano in decollo, dovevano partire e c'era questa fretta perché erano lì tutti molto vicini, e quindi è partito con vento da dietro fortissimo, la vela non lo stava portando ed è caduto all'interno in una buca, in un qualcosa, quindi si è fatto un pochino male il braccio. Comunque sia, ha fatto il fiocco, è ridecollato ed è arrivato in meta mantenendo la sua posizione. This really gives an idea of which kind of pilots are doing this kind of race. And also Tanguy was a rookie, was really the first time he did it. And I believe he managed the race in very well.
Yeah, for the first time it was quite good, and I think the last day and the day before was very difficult for them, and one little mistake and they were a bit behind, and they were so close together, and yeah, then Kriegel did his magic move, what we all wait for, and then he was in front. But this magic move wasn't that easy because yeah, there were strong wind, and Kriegel said there were a point where he said, okay, now I will not land anymore because I have to stay in the air. Landing is now dangerous. Yeah. And also Maxime Pinot said to me he needs a yellow card because it was too dangerous flying.
Yeah. Sì, quindi praticamente quello che abbiamo sentito anche nei giorni scorsi, abbiamo intervistato anche Kriegel e poi parlando anche con Maxime, sono state delle condizioni di volo veramente al limite. A un certo punto mi diceva che Kriegel gli ha detto no, adesso qui bisogna stare per forza in aria perché atterrare non è assolutamente più possibile. Sono stati in questa gara, una gara di 1223 km, sappiamo, molto vicini, sembrava quasi una task di Coppa del Mondo, volavano uno vicino all'altro. Poi alla fine Kriegel ha tirato fuori veramente dal cappello questa mossa straordinaria, è riuscito a fare quello che doveva fare, però diciamo tutti sono stati molto bravi. Tanguy, di cui abbiamo parlato prima, che è un rookie, quindi prima edizione, eppure anche lui si è comportato molto bene. Sure, it's unbelievable to see. It looks like a task of the World Cup. All the pilots, after so many kilometers in 1 hour, you have 5 pilots. It's unbelievable. Yeah, sì, veramente. I believe that also from the organization, it was completely unexpected, isn't it?
Yeah, we drove as fast as we could to make it earlier than them to the turn points. Yeah. And yeah, I also let one turn point out because it was impossible for me to drive all this race. And yeah, I also wanted to have a look for the others behind of the field, to have a feeling how they are and what are the conditions there and is it still safe, and just to have a look around. And yeah, it was quite fast for everyone from us. Of course, also for the photographers and videos camera teams, it was like crazy.
Yeah, quindi è stata una gara molto veloce anche per loro, per i fotografi, per i piloti delle auto, cioè correre dietro a questi piloti con queste velocità. Lui addirittura dice io avrei voluto a volte anche tornare un po' indietro per vedere le condizioni che c'erano dietro, ma è stato impossibile. So who will pay all the fine, Volkswagen or
all the what? I didn't hear
all
it.
the fine, the speed fine, because going so fast, you will have some tickets now. Yeah.
No, yeah. Hopefully not me.
Gli ho chiesto, ma allora adesso chi pagherà tutte le multe? Sarà la Volkswagen che ha dato le auto per la gara, perché adesso con tutte queste velocità, con tutti questi spostamenti veloci che hanno fatto, hanno dovuto, avranno preso un bel po' di multe. Dice, beh, spero di non pagarle io, poi qualcuno le pagherà. Yes. Okay. So Ferdinand, this race, it's not over, but let's say it's going to the end. Overall, how can you describe your experience in this race? It was the first time for you to manage a race so big, so I mean, with so many top level pilots.
Yeah, it was nice that the selection of the athletes was the right way. I think it was a high-ranked competition, and yeah, I have a big list with things what I will change next time, and what didn't work that well. But yeah, we will see what is possible for the next time. When the half of this will work, then I'm really happy. And this time was incredibly fast. Normally you have some time to rest for yourself or something, but this time was no rest for me. The last night before they all arrived, so after Kriegel arrived, the night between, it was I didn't had 1 hour of sleep, and this is
also because they all pulled the night pass, so they were all walking and going
and we didn't know when they will arrive here, and it was so difficult.
Yeah. Quindi gli ho chiesto praticamente di fare un po' un recap della sua esperienza di questa gara. Dice, io ho una lista lunghissima di cose che l'anno prossimo voglio cambiare, questa gara è stata così veloce che non c'è stato veramente tempo di vedere nulla. Se solo la metà delle cose che mi sono scritto funzioneranno, sarò felicissimo. Proprio mi faceva notare come la notte dopo l'arrivo di Krieg, quando tutti avevano giocato il night pass, lui praticamente non ha dormito per 48 ore, è rimasto sempre sveglio per poter seguire quello che stava succedendo. Sì. Very good job, Ferdinand, very good. Yeah. Okay, Ferdinand, so thanks very much for your time. Once again, we really appreciate all the job you have done, and all the Italian pilots are following us in these live nights that we do. So very important. Your next task now, which is your next plan? What are you doing next?
The next tomorrow I will go back to Sexton, because I hope they will arrive there at midday or something. I hope they will fly a bit, because the forecast isn't that good. But anyway, I will stay there until they come, and then I will have a look on the Via Ferrata with them, and then I have to drive back. So I'm here when they arrive at the Zell Am See.
Right, bene. Quindi domani tornerà a Sesto in osteria per vedere un po' che arrivano, seguirli un po' sulla ferrata, e poi dovrà tornare di nuovo lì per vedere poi l'arrivo, quindi ancora giornate intense per lui. Bene. Thanks very much, Ferdinand, once again, and see you next time. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thanks.